Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Brother in Infinite Craft. First, let's gather our initial elements. Begin by combining water and wind to create wave. Next, mix fire and wind together to form smoke. Finally, combine earth and water to get plant. These three foundational elements are crucial for our journey to craft Brother, setting the stage for more complex creations. Now that we have our basic building blocks, let's move on to some intermediate elements. Take earth and wave to make sand. Then, combine plant with sand to create a cactus. Next, mix wind and cactus together to form tumbleweed. Finally, combine smoke and tumbleweed to successfully get your very own cowboy element. We are getting closer to our goal. The next step involves creating a sense of connection. First, combine your tumbleweed element with cowboy to make lonely. Once you have lonely, simply mix it with another lonely element. This special combination will then yield the friendship element, a vital component for our final creation. Congratulations, you're almost there. For the final step, take your cowboy element and combine it with the friendship element you just created. This powerful combination will successfully craft Brother in your Infinite Craft game. Now you have a brand new element to experiment with, opening up countless new crafting possibilities. Enjoy exploring.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.